Let's download the WordPress package. Go through the down, or you can simply type in the Google download WordPress. Yeah, the first number, the download WordPress, you can go to the wordpress.org and just you can get you will get these screens download pages, and that you can simply click the download WordPress version. Right now there's a WordPress version in the 6.62, and then this WordPress site recommended PHP version is 7.4 or greater, and the MySQL version is supposed to be 8.0 or MariaDB versions 10.5 or greater versions. Okay, let's download. When you click the downloads, this screen, just ignore this screen. Here is the downloading the WordPress site. Yeah, you can go right click on this state and you can click on the show in folder. My file located in the download folder. I'll copy this word of downloaded file as a copyright and then you can put this file. I have a localhost at Xampp in my drive. You can copy paste it there, and you can right click and do extract all the things right here. Extract. It's done. So I extract this file, and comes like that. I wanna copy all the content inside the WordPress folder, and I wanna create one directory name tamangboys.com, right? Yeah, I wanna paste all the content inside this directory. Okay, and I don't like to keep this folder and right here. Thus, you've kept all the file inside the folder localhost std docs. You can do the localhost slash tamangboys.com, right? Yeah, it shows the setup screen is a configuration file will trigger, and you can choose any type of language, whatever you want. But basically, I prefer the English language, so I choose the English and I continue. Before we proceed, we have to remember that the sum point that is highlighted here, right? Already have a database name, database username, database password, database host means the host or URL where the database is stored, or your table prefix if you want to run more than the WordPress in a single database, right? Okay. So this information is being used to create the config, the WP config file. If any reason this automatic creation does not work, do not worry. All these file in the database information to configuration file, you may also simply open the WP config sample in the text editor and in text editor file in the information, and you can save it and you can change and you can save it as a WP config.php. I think I'm ready to go. As I said, let's go. Before that, I should have to open my PHP My Admin, so you can access your PHP My Admin like the localhost slash PHP My Admin tab. Yeah, when you log in this one, you have to create the database, right? I'm going to create the database tamang voice underscore db. Yeah, generally I choose the MB4 UTF General CI that support the Unicode alphabet characters. That's why I create this ones, right? Remember your database name. This database name, I just copy the database name and I put here. I didn't create any user, so I use the root as a default user and password as a blank, and database host is a local host, and I don't like to equip any type of prefix. So wp underscore is okay for me. So I simply I hit the submit button, and it's ready to install, ready to set up or install your WordPress account. Yeah, you can simply press the run the installation. Yeah, it's almost done. So I want to keep the site title name is tamangboys.com username. Just I wanna use the demo, right? And I wanna password is demo 1 2 3 4, right? Demo 1 3 4, and I want to make the confirm password, and I don't like to put any email address right here. Oh yeah, just I want to keep my email address here is required, so I want to keep some email address or your email address at at abc.com, right? Think yeah. I'm gonna put this, oh, it's good, but yeah. And once I done this one, it's ready to go. So I want to do login. User equals the demo, and the demo 1 2 3 4 is my password, and I want to go the inside. You can go the simply the login administrative part of the WordPress. Okay. Yeah, this is the security issue that you can give your the strong password, or you can use a very strong password while you are using this thing, right? So once you done this once, you can view the site name as let's yeah, this is your site name. Everything is set up, right? Everything is set up, and that the theme, a template is ready to go. Yeah. Here at the some part of the WordPress, like here is a simply dashboard. Dashboard means whatever comes inside the dashboard is you can check that right here. So here is the update buttons. Here is the update buttons. You can check the update release noted and release noted about note about the WordPress and other things over here. So in the other things that other things you have a post, you have a inside the post you can create the new post, right? Now this is the new type of the uh, editor of the WordPress, and you can go back, and here is also the categories. You can add more categories and slug the category, parent category, everything's right. So the next thing you can add also the tag name. You can also do the tag, everything's over here. The other tab, that's media, you can manage all the image items, media item like image, text, video, or other file stuff. And you can create the pages, you can view the comment, you can set up the appearance, or you can change the different type of the template, whatever you are. Right now I have a 2024 is my current template, or you can add the another theme or template over here. And the same thing, here is the plugin tab. You can add the different type of the WordPress plugin, plug and play, everything's right. Goes here, and the other user tab, you can just see all the users, whatever you have, right? And the tools, there is lots of tools you can. I will tell you, I will let you know in the details later. And how you have a setting parts, you can set up the entry data, earlier entry data, right? And the collapse minimum that goes here. Okay guys, thank you very much.